Hello everybody, thank you for watching this video. Here we have a 1965 Ford Mustang Coupe. This has a 6-cylinder 202 engine inline, still attached with the carburetor and some other parts. You got your radiator still there, shock towers, nature trying to take over the car. This is the number 2 car that we're selling on eBay. Go ahead and look me up. There's the glass still in the car protecting it. Real hard to find. There's the dash. A little bit rough shape. It's not original wheel there. It does have a rear end, so it will load onto a bed just fine. There's the trunk lid looking good. Chrome bumper still looking straight, so no damage there. Alright, and you can just hear the door shutting back easily. And I couldn't get a hold of the VIN number easily on this car, but I found it here. Maybe you can pause the video and zoom in, but right there is what I see. This might be a 66 actually, so 65 or 66. But thank you again for watching. Just send your questions. Once again, this has a inline 202 engine with several parts still attached to it. You're mainly buying the chassis. Once again, thank you for watching. Have a great day.